Double Smash Burger. The smash burger technique changed American burger culture permanently. A ball of beef is placed on a screaming hot flat-top griddle and pressed hard with a spatula until it is almost paper thin. The Maillard reaction, the chemical process that creates browning and flavor, requires direct contact between protein and heat. More surface contact equals more crust, equals more flavor per bite than any thick patty can produce. The double smash stacks two thin smashed patties with American cheese melted between them. The cheese becomes part of the patty rather than a topping. This is not a burger with cheese on it. It is a cheese and beef system.
Oklahoma Onion Smash Burger. The Oklahoma onion burger was invented during the Great Depression when beef was expensive and onions were cheap. Cooks at roadside stands in Oklahoma pressed thinly sliced onions directly into the raw beef patty before smashing it onto the griddle. The onions caramelized into the meat as it cooked, becoming inseparable from the crust. The technique stretched the beef further while adding sweetness and depth that plain beef could not produce alone. Depression-era resourcefulness created one of the most distinctive regional burgers in America. Served on a pretzel bun, the saltiness of the bun amplifies the sweetness of the caramelized onion in a way a standard bun cannot. Wagyu Truffle Smashburger. Wagyu beef contains intramuscular fat in concentrations so high that the fat melts at body temperature. When smashed onto a hot griddle, that fat renders immediately into the crust, creating a flavor intensity impossible to achieve with standard beef. Black truffle contains over 200 volatile aromatic compounds that activate with heat. Combining Wagyu and truffle in a smash burger concentrates both flavor profiles simultaneously into a thin caramelized crust. The black bun is not decorative. It is made with squid ink or activated charcoal and has a slightly savory flavor that does not compete with the truffle. A premium ingredient combination that belongs on a fine dining plate ended up between two pieces of black bread. Bacon Smash Burger. Bacon was not always a breakfast food. In the 1920s, a marketing genius named Edward Bernays paid doctors to publicly recommend hearty breakfasts, specifically mentioning bacon. One campaign permanently changed what an entire country eats every morning. On a burger, bacon adds fat, salt, smoke, and crunch simultaneously, 4 different textural and flavor contributions from a single ingredient. The red bun is made with beet juice or food coloring and serves as a visual warning system. Customers who see a red bun expect intensity. The combination of red bun, crispy bacon, and smashed beef delivers exactly what the color promises. The burger communicates its intentions before anyone takes a bite. Avocado Smashburger. Avocado toast became the most politically charged breakfast item in modern history when an Australian millionaire suggested that young people could afford houses if they stopped buying it. The avocado burger carries none of that cultural baggage and all of the flavor. Fresh avocado on a smash burger adds creaminess that cuts through the intensity of the caramelized beef crust in a way that no sauce can replicate. The green bun made with spinach or matcha signals freshness before the first bite. Avocados contain more potassium than bananas and more healthy fat than almost any other fruit. None of this matters at a burger restaurant. The flavor is the only argument that counts. Korean Kimchi Smashburger. Korean fried chicken changed how the world thought about frying. Korean BBQ changed how the world thought about grilling. The Korean Smashburger is changing how the world thinks about beef. Gochujang, a fermented chili paste used in Korean cooking for centuries, delivers heat with depth that American hot sauces cannot replicate. Kimchi, fermented cabbage with garlic and chili, adds acidity that cuts through fat and brightness that wakes up every other flavor on the burger. The sesame bun toasted in butter adds nuttiness that completes the flavor profile. A traditional American format filled with Korean ingredients created something neither cuisine had ever produced independently.
Mushroom Swiss Smash Burger. The mushroom Swiss burger has been on American casual dining menus since the 1970s and has never left because it works too well to remove. Sautéed cremini or portobello mushrooms deliver glutamates, the compounds responsible for umami flavor, in concentrations similar to aged Parmesan.
Swiss cheese melts at a lower temperature than cheddar, producing a smoother coverage across the entire patty. The combination creates layers of savory depth that a standard cheeseburger cannot achieve. Served on a brioche bun whose slight sweetness balances the earthiness of the mushrooms, the Mushroom Swiss Smash is the burger that converts people who claim they don't like mushrooms.
BBQ Cowboys Smashburger. The word barbecue comes from the Caribbean indigenous word barbacoa, the same word that gave Spanish and eventually English the concept of slow-cooking meat over fire. The BBQ Smashburger applies that tradition to a format that cooks in under 2 minutes. Hickory smoked BBQ sauce, crispy onion rings, and pepper jack cheese on a pretzel bun create a combination that references the entire history of American outdoor cooking in a single handheld object. The pretzel bun, with its dense, chewy texture and salted exterior, holds together under the weight of onion rings and sauce in a way that a standard bun cannot. Structural integrity in burger buns is an underappreciated engineering problem.
Spicy Jalapeno Smashburger. The red bun on a spicy burger is not a coincidence. Color psychology research consistently shows that red increases appetite and signals intensity simultaneously. Fast food companies have known this since the 1950s, which is why McDonald's, Wendy's, and In-N-Out all use red prominently in their branding. A red bun on a jalapeno burger tells the customer what they are about to experience before they unwrap it. Fresh jalapenos deliver heat that builds slowly. Pickled jalapenos deliver heat immediately with added acidity. Restaurants that use both create a layered heat experience. The spicy jalapeno smash burger is the burger that separates the people who say they like spicy food from the people who actually do.
Truffle Umami Smashburger. Most truffle oil is fake. The compound 2,4-dithiapentane, synthesized in a laboratory, replicates one of the hundreds of aromatic compounds in real truffle and is used in virtually all commercial truffle oil because actual truffle would make the product unaffordable. Real black truffle costs over $1,000 per kilogram. Professional chefs know the oil is synthetic and use it anyway because the flavor works. A truffle smash burger made with real shaved truffle is one of the most expensive items on any burger menu. The same burger made with truffle oil costs a fraction of the price, and most customers cannot identify the difference. The black bun signals luxury. The truffle delivers umami. The smash technique delivers crust. The combination justifies the price on every menu that lists it.
Double Double. In-N-Out Burger has never franchised, never gone public, and has never expanded outside of the Western United States by choice. The Double Double, 2 beef patties and 2 slices of American cheese, has been on the menu since the restaurant opened in 1948 and has never changed. In-N-Out's secret menu, called Animal Style, adds mustard cooked into the patty, extra spread, pickles, and grilled onions. It is not actually secret. The company publishes it on their website. The mystique around Animal Style has driven more free marketing for In-N-Out than any advertising campaign could produce. A burger chain that refuses to grow created more brand loyalty than chains with thousands of locations.
Juicy Lucy. The Juicy Lucy was invented in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and 2 bars have been arguing about who created it since 1954. Matt's Bar and the 5-8 Club both claim the original. The concept is simple and dangerous. Cheese is stuffed inside the raw beef patty before cooking, rather than placed on top after. When the burger is cooked, the cheese melts inside and becomes pressurized. Biting into a Juicy Lucy without waiting releases a jet of molten cheese that has burned countless customers. Minneapolis bars serve Juicy Lucy with a warning to wait before eating. Tourists ignore the warning every time. The cheese inside a burger sounds like a minor variation. The first bite proves it is a completely different experience.